Good day everyone, I am Ronald Balingit from Group 7 and I am here to discuss to you our findings and analysis in our chosen product. Welcome to Bread Variety Avenue, where a wide selection of freshly made breads are served as a celebration of the art of baking. So the name of our restaurant is Bread Variety Avenue, which means iba't ibang tinapay. Our menu offers a variety of flavor to suit every taste, from delicate pastry to healthy whole grains. Come discover the wonderful world of bread with us like never before. So banana bread is the most common type of bread served at our restaurant. Banana bread is a type of quick bread made with mashed banana as the main ingredients. It is popular way to use overripe bananas that might otherwise go to waste. So, instead po na itapon po yung mga overripe na banana, why don't we bake it po para po hindi po siya masayang. The sweetness and rich flavor of overripe banana makes them perfect for baking, giving it extra moisture and rich flavors. This baked good can be enjoyed as a snack, breakfast, or dessert. So next is the ingredients breakdown. The first ingredients is banana. Banana is the main ingredients that will bring flavor to the bread. Next is flour. Flour is the foundation ingredients that will help to give structure and texture to the bread. Next is sugar. Sugar helps to activate yeast for rising. It also enhances the flavor and promote browning. Next is egg. The protein of the egg create a network that will support the texture of baked good, while the fats add tenderness and flavor. Butter. Butter add richness to the recipe. Next is baking powder. Baking powder helps the baked good to rise or nakakatulong siya para umalsa yung isang tinapay, which is create a bubbles and causes the texture to expand and become light and fluffy. Next is the fresh milk. Fresh milk add moisture, flavor, and richness to the recipe, and also it helps to dissolve and evenly distribute the other ingredients. And lastly is the salt. Salt helps to enhance the flavor by balancing the sweetness and also by bringing out the other ingredients flavors. So that's the end of my part. So here is Samantha Sanchez to discuss to you the policy and suppliers information.
Good day everyone, I am Samantha Sanchez and I will present suppliers information and pricing policy. First is banana. Name, Laika Lim. Contact info, 0916-6949-200. Location, Basbas Isabela. Price and discount, 80 kilo. Policies, order must be paid in full before delivery. If you can show evidence that something is rotten, it can be replaced. Second is flour. Name, Lemon Trade Sales Inc. Contact info, 0977-7790-971. Location, 219 Evil Street, St. Joseph Subdivision, Cainta. Price and discount, 1 sack. Price and discount, 1 sack, 1,200. Policies, payment first. We accept GCash payment only. Next is sugar. Name, RNS. Contact info, shopee/ph.snr.official. Location, Parañaque City, Metro Manila. Price and discount, 180 per 2 kg. Policies, 15 days return. You can get a discount in bulk purchase. Next is egg. Name, Analyst Egg Supply. Contact info, via messenger. Location, 0913 Unit D. MacArthur Highway, San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan. Price and discount, 1 to 11 trays. Extra small, 46 to 50 grams, 220. Small, 51 to 55 grams, 230. Medium, 55 to 60 grams, 235. Large, 61 to 65 grams, 250. Extra large, 66 to 69 grams, 265. Jumbo, 70 and above, 275. Policies, no refund will be issued without valid proof of purchase. Butter. Name, Mary Biong. Contact info via messenger. Location, Manila. Price and discount, 10 kilo, 780. Policies. Free delivery up to 40 kilo. A discount is available for bulk orders. Baking powder. Name Mario Sanchez. Contact 0967 6588654. Location Caloocan City. Price and discount 48 pesos per 500 grams. Policies. No refunds will be issued without body proof of purchase. For business package, delivery fee shouldered by customers. Fresh milk. Name Mary Mart Grocery. Contact 0917-709-9591. Location 2532 C1A, Greentown Complex, Barangay Mamplasan, RD, Binyan, Laguna. Price and discount 1,217.25 per case, and one case include 12 pieces. Policies. Minimum return is one complete case. Partial return are not accepted. If one pack pieces is defective, the entire case must be processed for return. Last is salt. Name Joanne Go. Contact info 0952-28-34329. Location Lingayen, Pangasinan. Price and discount 1 sacks per 200. 55 sacks is 20%. Policies. Order are typically processed and shipped within 1 to 2 days. Products must be in their original packaging for returns. Shipments are handled by our approved logistic partners to ensure timely and safe delivery.
Hello everyone, I am Bernadette Sibidenia and I will be discuss the part of justifications kung bakit namin pinili ang suppliers na ito at ano yung magiging help nito sa aming business. Okay, let's start. Sa banana po namin, ang pinili po naming suppliers ay si Laika Lane. Dahil sa lahat po ng suppliers na nakita namin, si Laika Lane lang po ang nagbibigay ng murang halaga ng banana. At napakalaki po talaga ng pinagkaiba ng discount ni Laika Lane sa ibang mga suppliers. At bukod po rito, kapag po ang banana ay nagkaroon ng parang lamog or nagkaroon po ng parang pagkabulok, po pwede mo po itong ibalik kay Laika Lane para palitan po ng panibagong banana. Next is flour. Sa flour naman po, ang pinili po namin para maging suppliers po namin ay si Eyomong Trade Sales Inc. Kasi po, mas malaki po yung discounts na ibinibigay po nila compared po dun sa other suppliers na nakita po namin. Kasi po, nagkakahalaga po ito ng 1,200 compare po sa ibang suppliers na nagkakahalaga po ng 1,350. And then tumatanggap din po sila ng GCash payment. So, kapag po may gagawin kang importante, hindi mo na po kailangan pumunta dun sa lugar nila para magbayad, po pwede mo na po itong ibayad sa GCash. Next is sugar. Sa sugar naman po, ang pinili po namin para maging suppliers po namin ay si R&S. Kasi po, bukod po sa mas malaki yung binibigay po nilang discounts, po pwede mo pong ibalik yung sugar within 15 days kapag ka po nagka-problem. Unlike po sa other suppliers na hindi mo po pwedeng ibalik yung sugar kasi po wala po silang return policy. Next naman po natin ay ang egg. Sa egg naman po, ang pinili po namin para maging suppliers po namin ay si Analyst Egg Supply po. Kasi po, bukod po sa mababa po yung prices nila, available din po sa kanila ang iba't ibang sizes ng egg. At nagbibigay din po sila ng maramihang itlog. Compare po dun sa iba na hindi po kaya nila mag-produce ng maramihan pong egg. And then, meron din po silang return policy kapag po ang egg ay nag-crack or meron pong amoy na. So, po pwede po nila yung ibalik sa inyo basta po may proof po kayo na nagkaganon po yung egg. Next naman po natin ay ang butter. Sa butter naman po, ang pinili po namin para maging suppliers po namin ay si Marie V. Ongs po. Kasi po, nag-o-offer po sila ng malaking discounts. Like nga po na nagkakahalaga po ang butter nila ng 780 ang 10 kilo. Unlike po sa iba na 830 po. And then, meron din po silang ino-offer na free delivery. Unlike po sa iba na pick-up only lang po. Next is baking powder. For our baking powder naman po, ang pinili po namin para maging suppliers po namin ay Sir Mario Sanchez. Kasi po, bukod po sa low prices, good reviews sa store po nila, nag-offer din po sila ng refund po kapag ka po nagka-problema po yung sugar. Next is fresh milk. For our fresh milk suppliers, we chose is Marimart Wholesale. Kasi po, bukod po sa unique discounts and prices niya na nagkakahalaga po ng 1,217 per case, sa per case po, meron po itong 12 pieces or liters, unlike po sa others na available lamang po ay ang liters. Meron din po silang good reviews at meron din po silang mga policies na talaga naman pong hindi ka matatakot na bumili po sa kanila. And lastly, ang salt po natin. Sa salt naman po, ang kinuha po namin para maging suppliers po namin ay si Joe & Go. Kasi po, bukod po sa unique yung mga discounts niya, and then meron din po siyang mabababang prices, and then marami din po sa kanilang good reviews, taga Pangasinan po siya na alam naman po natin at kilala po natin na ang Pangasinan ay ang pinaka nagpo-produce po sa atin ng maramihang asin. So, hindi na rin po kami natakot na siya po yung kahanin bilang suppliers po namin kasi alam din naman po namin na malilinis po yung asin sa kanila. So, and now, these are the overall benefits for our restaurant. First po doon yung cost savings po. Sa pagpili po namin ng low prices at yung magagandang discount po, mas malaki po yung magiging kita po ng aming restaurant po or ng aming business po. And then next naman po ay yung convenience option po like GCash payment, yung mga pre-delivery po. Syempre po, mag-aano po ito sa amin, mas malaki po yung magiging tulong nito sa aming business po. Halimbawa na lang po, nagsisave po ito ng time po namin. So, kapag po may importante nga po kaming gagawin, is hindi na po maaabala kami dahil po meron naman pong mga options na ganun po. Lastly naman po ay ang quality assurance po. Sa quality assurance po, malaki po yung magiging tulong po nito sa aming business po or restaurant dahil na nga po, example po, yung good reviews po, yung return policies po, mas mapapabawasan po yung makatanggap po kami ng mga bad products po, damaged products, ganun po. So, malaki po yung magiging tulong nito sa aming restaurant or business kasi po, hindi na po kami makakatanggap ng mga ganun. So, or kung makatanggap man po kami ng mga ganun is may babalik po namin sa kanila.
So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for watching.